Hello everyone. After a long time, I'm again coming back with the next topic of electronic devices and circuit subject. Uh, in the previous lectures, I have discussed in detail about the effect of temperature on the carrier concentration, conductivity, and the mobility on the intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductor material. But today, we will be seeing about the effect of temperature on the conductivity, specifically on the extrinsic semiconductor material. How the conductivity of the extrinsic semiconductor material will vary with respect to the temperature. तो तो आज के लेक्चर में हम यही देखेंगे कि एक्सटेंसिक सेमीकंडक्टर मटेरियल की कंडक्टिविटी विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टेम्परेचर कैसे वैरी करती है एंड व्हाट आर द टिल व्हाट टेम्परेचर इट इज़ एक्टिंग एज ए एक्सटेंसिक सेमीकंडक्टर मटेरियल एंड जैसे जैसे टेम्परेचर बढ़ रहा है हाउ द कंडक्टिविटी हाउ द टेम्परेचर इज गोइंग टू चेंज द बिहेवियर ऑफ द कंडक्टिविटी इन केस ऑफ एक्सटेंसिक सेमीकंडक्टर मटेरियल. काफ़ी छोटा सा टॉपिक है जो हम कोशिश करेंगे कि 5 to 7 मिनट्स में इसे कवर करें. Like to understand this, I have plotted here a curve, and that curve has been plotted with respect to the conductivity versus I am writing here as temperature. As you can see, on the x-axis temperature has been represented, and on the y-axis the conductivity of the extrinsic semiconductor has been shown. Now for this to understand this curve, it has been divided in 3 sections basically. One section you can see that up to a temperature of this 300 degree Kelvin till this point the first section is, and the second section is varying from 300 degree Kelvin up to a temperature. That temperature has been represented by a variable that is Tc. Now what is Tc? Let me write what is this Tc is. Tc is called as Curie temperature. Curie temperature, and 300 degree Kelvin is the room temperature, and the third region of this curve that is beyond this Curie temperature. Now for getting let me get into the detail of this curve. So first I am writing here that at 0 degree Kelvin what is happening in case of extrinsic semiconductor material. As we know that in case of extrinsic semiconductor material there is no carriers are available because either the carriers are in some donor energy level or the acceptor energy level, but they are not available neither in the conduction band nor in the valence band, either in case of n type or p type. If you talk about n type or p type semiconductor material, तो एट 0 डिग्री केल्विन वी डू नॉट हैव एनी कैरियर, हमारे पास कोई भी कैरियर्स चार्ज कैरियर्स अवेलेबल नहीं है फॉर द कंडक्शन, सो दैट द कंडक्टिविटी ऑफ द एक्सट्रिंसिक सेमीकंडक्टर मटेरियल एट 0 डिग्री केल्विन एज वी कैन सी हियर इन ऑन दिस कर्व इज exactly 0. See this blue curve, here it is 0. Now what is happening as the temperature is increasing, as soon as the temperature is increasing, जैसे जैसे हम अब टेम्परेचर को बढ़ाना शुरू करते हैं, now the carriers are being available, carriers are going to be available either in case of conduction band, in case of n-type semiconductor material, or in valence band in case of p-type semiconductor material. Now we have the carriers with the increasing temperature. Now conductivity of the extrinsic semiconductor materials increases. What is happening to the conductivity? As you can see this, follow this blue line, it is increasing, and it is increasing up to a temperature that is known as the 300 degree Kelvin, up to the room temperature. At the room temperature we are having the maximum conductivity here in case of extrinsic semiconductor material. So this is the first reason in which from 0 degree Kelvin up to the 300 degree Kelvin what is happening, temperature as जैसे जैसे हमारा टेम्परेचर बढ़ रहा है, now carriers are being available, and because of the availability of the carrier, conductivity of the semiconductor material is increasing. हाँ, तो conductivity of this extrinsic semiconductor material is increasing from 0 degree Kelvin up to the 300 Kelvin and it is maximum at 300 degree Kelvin. Now further, in the second reason, if we talk about when the temperature is going beyond 300 degree Kelvin, now the at 0 degree Kelvin I am representing this conductivity is 0. Now when temperature is greater than 0 and it is less than 300 Kelvin, what is happening? This conductivity of extrinsic semiconductor material is increasing. It is increasing. Now if we talk about the next section, that in next section we have a temperature range that is in between 300 up to a temperature that is defined as the Curie temperature. Now what is happening in this when the semiconductor material is being exposed to this temperature range? As in the earlier lecture, what we have seen that in case of extrinsic semiconductor material, there are some minority carriers or some majority carriers in case of extrinsic one. Now, and the majority carrier concentration, suppose if we have n-type semiconductor material in which the majority carrier concentration are electrons and minority carrier concentration are holes. We have discussed that with respect to the temperature, as we increase the temperature, there is not any significant change on the majority carrier concentration in case of semiconductor material. Point number 1. Now what is happening? Reverse to the minority carrier concentration, and minority carrier concentration are increasing with the increment in temperature. Means this n-type, we can say that electrons are constant and the hole in the extrinsic semiconductor material is increasing with respect to the increasing temperature. Now ठीक है. Now what is happening with respect to this one? The mobility of the charge carriers, what will happen to the mobility? Because conductivity is somewhere related to the charge carrier concentration, charge, and the mobility of the charge carriers. The mobility, what will happen to the mobility? The mobility of the carrier concentration will decrease as carrier concentration increases. This will happen. We have seen in the earlier lectures. If mobility will decrease and there is not any significant change on the majority carrier concentration, minority carrier concentration is going to be is increasing with respect to temperature. Because of that, the conductivity of the semiconductor material will decrease, because conductivity here I am relating with the, we can say that inverse of the mobility. In short, we can say that conductivity is inversely proportional to the mobility. Now this conductivity is what? It is decreasing. We are further increasing the temperature in this direction, in positive direction. Majority carrier concentration are constant and minority carrier concentration are increasing. Now what is happening at point of at the temperature, when temperature T is equals to Curie temperature? Now with respect to the Curie temperature, if we talk about at T is equals to Tc, Curie temperature, at Curie temperature, what is happening? We can say that, because we are talking about the extrinsic semiconductor materials. Suppose for an example, if I have a n-type semiconductor material in which electron is the majority carrier, it is, I am saying that, constant with respect to temperature, and holes are the minority carrier concentration, and I am saying that it is increasing with respect to the temperature. Now at some particular temperature, what will happen? At some particular temperature, what will happen, that the minority carrier concentration, the concentration of holes, if we say that कि holes का concentration जो होगा हमारा, that is going to be almost equals to the electron concentration in n-type semiconductor material. बिल्कुल पॉसिबिलिटी है, बिकॉज हमारा जो मेजॉरिटी कैरियर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है वो तो कांस्टेंट है, and minority carrier concentration here, it is increasing with respect to the temperature. Now at some particular temperature, this minority carrier concentration is going to be equals to the minority carrier concentration, and we can say that now the semiconductor is moving towards being the intrinsic one, because in intrinsic semiconductor material what is happening, in intrinsic semiconductor material electron and hole concentration are almost constant. ठीक है. So now at this point, at Curie temperature as shown in the graph here, this is the Curie temperature. Now at this point our semiconductor material has been converted from extrinsic semiconductor to intrinsic semiconductor material, and at this point the semiconductor material has the minimum conductivity. Alright, now the semiconductor material has been converted intrinsic one, and in the earlier lecture again we have seen that what is happening to the conductivity of intrinsic semiconductor material. You can refer the lecture 6 of the uploaded lectures, and in which you can find that the conductivity of intrinsic semiconductor material increases with respect to temperature as temperature increases. As temperature is increasing, now the conductivity of the intrinsic semiconductor material is increasing with respect to the temperature. Now when we are going beyond this Curie temperature, as we are moving away from the Curie temperature, now the semiconductor material is behaving like intrinsic one and its conductivity is increasing. Hence conductivity is increasing further. So this is a small a quick description of demonstration of effect of the temperature on the conductivity of extrinsic semiconductor material. Now question may be asked that what is the Curie temperature? Now the Curie temperature with respect to the semiconductor material we can define as the temperature at which in an extrinsic semiconductor material our electron concentration our majority carrier concentration is going to be almost equal to the minority carrier concentration. Alright, now this is the Curie temperature, or sometime question may ask Curie temperature is defined as the temperature at which the extrinsic semiconductor material is going to be converted to the intrinsic semiconductor material. We can say that. So now in some let me summarize the discussion. What will be the effect, what is the effect of temperature on the conductivity of intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductor material. So in the earlier lecture we can conclude that the conductivity in case of intrinsic semiconductor material increases, and in case of extrinsic semiconductor material generally we take the temperature range, we consider the temperature range from 300 degree Kelvin to Curie temperature. This is the temperature range generally we consider for defining the effect of temperature on the conductivity of extrinsic semiconductor or intrinsic semiconductor material. So in case of extrinsic semiconductor material we can say that the conductivity decreases up to a temperature that is Tc, and the beyond Curie temperature the conductivity of the extrinsic semiconductor material again start increasing. Now this is a brief demonstration of the effect of temperature on the conductivity of extrinsic semiconductor material. Now for if you have any doubt or any query, you can drop a comment, and the further lecture will be soon updated on regular basis from now on. Thank you so much. For any